Hey, what's going on, YouTube? I know I'm back in my normal channels of just being on the radio in my car somewhere in South Carolina. So, what I gotta apologize a little bit. I feel a little embarrassed. I feel actually a lot embarrassed. I remember I was talking about the Stryker and the channels not being on it. We can key up and do everything all day long. Say I was on 37 a.m. We'd sit there, we can talk, and we do audio. Things like that if we needed to. Unfortunately, I have to tell you that, just because it doesn't have the channels on it doesn't mean you can't do it. Because here's my embarrassed part. Seems you can. And it takes is a little bit of situation. Do you have a RCI microphone? If you have the RCI microphone with the channels on it, I mean, those things look the same. They look the same. My God, everything minus, right at the top there, they don't have channel buttons. But you can use this. You can use the RCI mic in place of the radio here. I didn't even know it. Now, if you look on the side of the Stryker 955, there's another mic hole right there, right on the other side there. So craziest thing, if you pull out your regular Stryker microphone and you have an RCI 2950 with the antenna thing, all you have to do is plug it into that port there instead of the front port. I'll pull it out. Hang on. There it is. There's the port. So if you have your Stryker 955, look on the right side. You'll have a port right like that on it, and all you gotta do is plug in your RCI channel microphone. Oh, let's put this in temporarily. Oh gosh, sorry y'all. It's all new to me right now. Let's see here. We can get. All right. So there we go, using the external port on the 955 Stryker. That's the external port on the 955 Stryker. Cool thing is, after that, you use your buttons right there. So that's a channel down, channel up. So there's your channel down, there's your channel up. So, color me embarrassed, just use the side port instead of the regular port, and you'd be keying up just the same. Audio. Doing the exact same thing with the Stryker 955 on the different frequencies. So yeah, you can key up, go back, forth. Cool thing, you can go ahead and just do anything that you want with it. So you have the band switch. See, you can do whatever you want with this radio at this point. It's a beautiful thing. So see, now I can drive around and be talking and communicating. See, I'm waiting for someone. 385 lower, but yeah, we're keying up. We're transmitting. We're talking audio. God, I hate to do it on that frequency, so I'm going to clear out 1200 standby. But yeah, just use the audio aux port on your Stryker 955, and you have all the channels and exactly what I wanted. So how cool is that? Stryker always comes through.